based on the rotation of the complex number. So we know that if we have a complex number in the Argand plane, suppose here we have a point P and the position vector of the point P is Z. When we joined with the origin, we get this vector OP. Okay. Now suppose we multiply this complex number Z by the number e to the power I alpha. Then we know that our complex number will rotate in anti-clockwise direction by the angle alpha. If this angle is alpha, when we get a point Q after rotations, our complex number is Z, and when we multiply with I power alpha, so we get the complex number Z into e power I alpha, and here it is represented by the point Q, by the point Q. So now simply by multiplying the complex number e power I alpha, our vector OP is rotated through an angle alpha and in anti-clockwise direction, and we get the vector OQ, and the angle between the vector OP and OQ is the angle alpha. Okay, so now if we multiply our complex number Z into e power I pi by 2, then my this angle will be nothing but 90 degree. And we know that in Euler's form e power I pi by 2 is nothing but I. So that means when I multiply this complex number Z by I get a vector Iz. Okay, I get a vector OP whose position vector is Iz. So now we get the positions vector Iz of the point Q. Now complete the parallelogram OP RQ. OP RQ. Now when we join this O with the point R, so we get a vector which is the additions of these two vectors. So therefore we get this vector OR. The positions vector of the point R is Z plus Iz. Now we are going to find the area of the triangle P, Q and R. Now I am going to join Q and R. We have this triangle, Q and P. We have this triangle. So now we have to find the area of this triangle P, Q and R. This area we are going to find. Here we get a diagram which is nothing but a parallelogram. And you know that in case of a parallelogram, diagonals divides a parallelogram into two triangles and they are congruent and they have the, you know that congruent triangles having the same area. So now the area of the triangle PQR, is same as area of the triangle POQ. Now here we have a right angle triangle because alpha is 90 degree. So we can write half into base OP vector. We are taking its modulus into OQ vector. So therefore it will be half into mod of Z into mod of IZ. We know modulus of the complex number I is 1. So we have mod of z square because